I literally write for luxury hotels and restaurants for a living, and I am super grateful. But I don't want this blog to be very glamorized opinion. I want it to be real and tell you what it feels like to be on a fam trip as a journalist who's also creating content. Because अब मैं हो गया बस अभी बहुत कर लिया सुबह से, but we've just not had time to breathe. Our itinerary has been so cut to cut. This is priced at 12 lakhs per night. Is the Maharaja suite. Crash of moods. And go. Like a PR party. Getting unboxed right in front of you. Whoa.
Federation of Royal Kitchens of Mewar.
Even if you are something, you will only become what you believe. Hopefully I wake up. I think I'm gonna wake up. Morning. I don't know how I woke up without an alarm, but I am ready for yoga. Every trip teaches you so much. Even if it is replacing a dumbbell with a mudgar that people used in the ancient times.
Come back with one.
Master your mindset.
But the challenge is here. It's very important to ensure anybody elders in the family you connect with people. Social animal by nature. So without building social connections, if you are only focusing on sleep and strength, you are actually looking at premature mortality risk.
And all I want to do is sit and read and just stare at the lake. Just stare. Don't think about time lapse चल रहा है, कुछ content बन रहा है, कोई shoot nothing. I just want to zen the fuck out, but I can't do that on this trip because there's a lot of content to be shot. And yes. आनंद हिमालय वाली वाइब आ रही है देहरादून. Yes. Thank you. लेक की आवाज़ आ रही है. या तो आप पहाड़ में जाओ या तो आप कोई नदी तट का किनारे ऋषिकेश या उदयपुर आ जाओ. काफ़ी सही डिसीजन था सुबह उठना. गुड मॉर्निंग. Am I the first one?
Yes, you are.
Wow, I'm impressed.
Impressive.
I thought I'd be late. Good morning. I'm gonna better.
Taking care of the joints is very important. It's a quick 10-minute session which we're going to do. We'll add some variations in the end to it.
What if your morning didn't start with your phone, but with your breath? Every morning at Ojasya began with yoga and pranayama. But this wasn't about burning calories or mastering difficult poses. It was about returning to your natural rhythm through mindful movement and conscious breathing. Traditionally practiced at sunrise as a gesture of gratitude to the life-giving energy of the sun, a complete Surya Namaskar combines 12 flowing postures, each linked with an inhale or an exhale. And what is fascinating is this one sequence engages almost every major muscle group of the body. It stretches the spine, opens the hips and shoulders, strengthens the arms, the legs, the core, and improves circulation, gently elevating the heart rate. And depending on the pace, just a few rounds is surprisingly effective and a full body workout.
When you're doing the mudgar, you don't use strength. Strength would get built up over time.
When you think about strength training, you're probably picturing barbells or dumbbells. But centuries ago, before modern gyms existed, Indian wrestlers trained with something called the mudgar. At first glance, it looks like a heavy wooden club. But the goal is not to lift it overhead or count the reps. It's about moving with control. Every circular swing asks your shoulders, your wrist, your core, and your grip to work together in tandem. The movement is not forced. It's rhythmic, almost meditative. The instructor kept reminding us not to rely on strength. Instead, let the momentum guide us. Technique first, strength follows over time. Maybe life works the same way. Not everything needs to be conquered through force. Sometimes the hardest part is just simply finding your rhythm. Once you do, the momentum will carry you further than strength ever could. Historically, mudgar training was essential as a part of akhadas, where the wrestlers built their mobility, endurance, and resilience was needed for combat, even for warriors. Instead of isolating one muscle group, you're training your entire body to move as one connected system. Your shoulders become stronger and more mobile. Your grip improves, your posture changes, and even your coordination.
Weight distribution of the ball is the edge. All I'm going to do is let this swing out.
Massage at 10:30, so let's make the most out of this one straight. I'm ready in a very chill outfit. be relaxed for breakfast. Okay, so this particular clip is a time lapse of me eating breakfast with other media and creators. But fun fact, one thing about me is that I love eating alone because it means that I can actually eat. If I'm with people, I'll talk throughout the entire meal, swallow way too much air and end up being bloated. So this isn't me being unsocial, it's just me trying to let my digestive system win for once. Solitude is the absence of company and just the presence of yourself. And that for me is the true luxury of it all. Like I genuinely want to stop performing and just eat in silence, not think about what I can say.
How things make us feel, how experiences make us feel.
So, on your own, you need to focus on sleep, strength, like doctor said, gut health, and very important, social connection. And that's what's happened in India when you, or many countries, once you start aging, you start getting aloof, you get away from community. Day before yesterday, I saw this amazing documentary where Chris Hemsworth is there, the Thor actor. His father is just on the verge of getting deeper into Alzheimer and dementia. So he starts a therapy called reminiscence therapy. So he takes his father back to where he was 35 years, 40 years back with the time he spent with people. There was a marked improvement in his social abilities.
Brings me to my next question on cultural eating.
Is mind. And from sattva comes the jnana. That's your intellect.
Yeah.
Live consciously with the environment or your responsibility towards your environment.
Your DNA is getting nicked. It's losing its efficiency to develop power. What does that do? It basically shocks. Once it realizes an attack has happened, it sends soldiers, which is pumps in bloods. So go and fight, go and repair, go and heal.
I was like constantly typing notes while the longevity session was on. You saw me use dictation as well.
I'm not saying stop living. Have that fries, somebody just mentioned fries. Laddu or that halwa which doctor mentioned.
Absolutely.
Because if you're not happy from inside and you do this fantastic exercise and sleep, nothing will work. Is anybody treating the mind? If I live for 75 years, I'm going to sleep 25 years of that time. Has anybody taught you how to sleep? Breathe rightly. How to use breath to control stress or to improve cognitive performance. Shanti, Shakti and so on.
Ayurvedic prescription is not just medicine. You have a list of नहीं खा सकते. At the end of that conversation, like, doctor, ये सब करना है तो मुझे आपकी क्या ज़रूरत है?
Longevity, and we have an opportunity to deliver on these promises. And I assure you that we will. So thank you so much for your time.
Can't wait. Oh my god, I love the pool. It's so pretty. Now comes my favorite part of every retreat and every place I travel to. And I'm super excited for it because we literally haven't slept. Fully deserve it because I've been working too hard and the next week is going to get tougher. It's also my birthday. It's still sore, but this is how glazed my body looks post my spa session. Give me a little bracelet to keep home.
Did he actually say that?
अभी भी मुझे दिख रहा है वो बैठ जा रहा है. एनीवेज देखो जब प्रॉपर्टी में इतनी तामझाम होता है दे लिटरली टेकिंग अ बेड अपस्टेयर्स वेयर वी डिड आवर सेशन टुडे and we're going to be going and having dinner there. Literally, the setup is so cool. I also want to say very seriously is that when you come on a trip where we have content creators and media both, बहुत ही line segregate हो जाती है. Looking at them using their big ass tripods, which I did not get, is like a little. Why did I not get it? Then I'm also registering ki as a person who likes to not go to the room and take notes in person. I was like a mad man. 2 minute की like. पीस मिली मुझे लेक पिचोला को देख के because in front of me like you saw yesterday was the view of the calmest lake I have seen and I just wanted to sit there no matter if there were bugs and bees and the UV was high. Anyways, I wore the pink swimsuit that I had ordered and I got my shots. I got an intern at the hotel to actually help me with the shots. She was a female. I was more comfortable taking swimsuit pictures with her and she offered. So I was just like, I do not want to bother someone on the trip with me to shoot my own content because I do that all the time, not just for myself but for the properties. Instagram पे भी content जाना, YouTube, it's just a little too much. और जो point मैंने नहीं बोली आपको आज सुबह से कि yesterday क्या हुआ, हम आए airport से 12 बजे, 12 o'clock we landed, 1 o'clock we reached here. We were the first ones. We checked in, our bags came late but we just changed and we went down for lunch. people came late, so I ordered the main course the minute I arrived, but it came 2 hours later. Like I ate my lunch at 4 o'clock. मुझे acidity हो जाती है if I don't eat for too long, and like I can't stay hungry for too long. And even after the food came, it kept on taking time to come in between courses because there's so many people. Because either you only have a journalistic conversation or just with creators, and then when you have a mishap of everyone's trying to learn something from the other, which is great, but like it's also बहुत गौच पौच होती है. Coming back to my point, I wanted to eat lunch at a particular time. I woke up since 5, like literally you saw me in the morning. I woke up at 5. मैं सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट भी ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं किया, एक वो मिलेट का कुछ खाया था बिकॉज 3 ही ऑप्शंस थे वेजिटेरियन में. आई अंडरस्टैंड इट्स लाइक अ डिटॉक्स प्रोग्राम एक्सेट्रा. आई एट लंच अलोन एंड देन आई हैड 2 पीपल जॉइन मी बिकॉज इवन दे अग्रीड कि भाई आप 1:30 का टाइम दोगे. 1:30 कोई नहीं आया, 1:40 तक कोई नहीं आया. 1:40 भी जो आए वो 2 कोच थे, द साउंड हीलर एंड द योगा प्रैक्टिशनर. सो sorry, the one who taught us the mudras in the morning, only those 2 people came relatively on time, which was 1:40. Everyone else was dressed up, taking pictures, etc. They came at 2, 3. अभी हमारा sound healing का session जो 3 बजे वो shift हो गया 3:30 because the food came so late for them. So I'm very happy I ate earlier. And also technically you should have a gap of some time if you're meditating, because all the blood from your brain will go into your stomach after a meal, after a heavy or a light meal. So you do not want that to dissect from the process of you trying to fully immerse yourself in the process and understand what it is really like to disconnect. Because ये trip में सिर्फ connection नहीं हो रहा है, you're meeting people etc, which is also the point of the trip. Networking is also very important since I'm from Mumbai. Anyways, safe to say that what I'm trying to say is the biggest thing I've learned is to do things on my terms. I do not want to follow a timetable. I do not want to follow other people's timings and have to talk to people while I eat my lunch because मेरी भूख मर जाएगी बीच में. And even if I'm hungry, like I won't be able to eat after because you're sitting for 2 hours. आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा, फिर खाना you're asking, you're waiting, and I have zero patience. ये मैं admit करती हूँ, मेरे में कौड़ी भर का patience तो नहीं है. मेरे से नहीं होगा. मुझे आप दे दो या तो मत दो. Like I cannot live life on your own terms, do things when you want to, not because this person is doing it at that time. And सबसे important, eat your food on time without any distractions or without talking in the middle because हवा जाती है खाने में, फेफड़ों में. It's just to a point where you just want your food and you want peace and then you want to connect and have fun, whatever. No, I don't have the best footage because camera thoda blurry hai. Not just oily because of massage, because that my storage for that phone is full, so I cannot shoot. You know everything from my experience, honestly. Writing for the property, shooting for the property, shooting content on my own, making this, it's a little too much because मैं journalist भी हूँ, मैं content creator भी हूँ, and I'm just here trying to explain to you that I'm in my second swimsuit to shoot my second dose of content because I know it's a sound healing session. Taste. Literally, like they told me, and the punctuality remains because I was the first one to reach this place also after visiting the private villa. Maharaja suite देख लिया 12 लाख का, but ये 4 लाख का view better है, सच्ची. It is Miss Hard-working journalist at work. She has a production team of her own and she's shooting. Mic सब लगा दिया है मस्त. But yeah, my massage के बाद my lower back is hurting, so I skipped the meditation session. I'll put hot water in our back. Hot tub is getting filled. We'll have chai. We'll watch Ari vlogs, and then get ready for dinner. Hopefully with everybody. देखते हैं. मन तो हो रहा है कि खुद ही जाके अकेले खा लूँ बुफे में, but by 7 देखते हैं. अभी टाइम है, जो मन किया आप देखोगे क्या हो रहा है. But there are days like literally I was getting ready and my hair is a little oily from the massage, so it wasn't like feeling the best. I wasn't feeling beautiful. All of these are just tiny things in the process, and I know this might sound so futile to most of you, but even after you get what you want, it is not always going to be the best day ever. Like yesterday I got ready and I was very happy with my outfit, very happy. Like today it's just not working. I'm gonna go change the earrings and wear shoes. Alone in my room today because I had a book with me. I finished these 100 pages of, and it's a very easy read. 15 minutes में ऐसे 10 pages खत्म हो जाएंगे. I need to start carrying books with me everywhere, to the salon, to travel, to airport, everywhere. Just solitude and having time to yourself and spending it very wisely. Believing in what I do think I deserve. That is also what I always wanted to. Change into my night suit and wear my activewear tomorrow, then change into my airport and leave. I was just reading, and you know this quote that says, believe in something and it will happen and it will come to life. That is so true. But I guess I don't believe myself as a beauty or fashion influencer. And I know I'm more of a travel vlogger, like content creator. I'm a writer first. Now, I don't necessarily believe that I am that. Although that is our setup for dinner. Yes, thank you.
Rooted in rich heritage of Mewar regions of Rajasthan, the Mewar Thali reflects centuries of royal hospitality and mindful use of local
A chartered accountant by profession, but a conscious eater. You know, whatever I put in my mouth, I think twice. So, you know, of the grain are there in the flour also. We eat flour for a particular purpose. We eat any type. Maybe ragi you are eating for a good calcium. So to have that purpose fulfilled, we are giving that nutrients in that flour. We have various blends of flours also. One roti gives you 5.5 grams of protein. This is the best option. Our fitness flour. So it's a blend of khapli wheat. You'll have barley, black chana. You'll have white peas. And the star ingredient is our almond. Specifically for diabetes, maybe a diabetic friendly.
Oh, that's like Jia the first came to you only. Yes, please. Yes. Thank you. Super blessed to return to my hotel to see this. Can't wait to go home, unbox this, and bye. Now I'm going for my session. The catch is, even after you get your dream job, every day will not feel like the best day ever. And that is something no one tells you, because we romanticize the dream career as if crossing that finish line means permanent happiness. But work is always still work, and there are early alarms, delayed flights, back-to-back shoots, missed meals, endless editing, deadlines, and waiting for the moment you land, and days where you're simply too exhausted to enjoy where you are. And luxury does not always mean relaxation when you're the one documenting it. While others are sinking into the spa or lingering over breakfast, you're chasing the perfect light, filming every single detail of the itinerary just before someone walks into the frame, writing and rewriting intros, swapping camera batteries, charging your phone, making sure the story is captured before the moment disappears, making... I told you that you see behind me is Uday Vilas. Raj is on the other end, and तो बहुत मन है कि दूसरी भी प्रॉपर्टीज हो गया हो, as you can tell. Making sure your storage is enough. Sometimes you leave a 5-star hotel realizing that you barely had time to experience it yourself. And yet, strangely, that is the dream too. Not because every day feels magical and being paid for, but because even the hard days are spent doing something you once wished for. Dream jobs certainly don't eliminate the stress. They just give the stress meaning. And the goal was never to love every single moment. It was to build a life where even on the exhausting days, you'd still choose to be exactly where you are. It gives them a fair view, and I hope my vlog is doing justice to that.